Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. It is still Sunday and I have a ton more Walgreens deals for you. This is my second video today. I will be talking about all different deals. So if you haven't seen the first video, definitely stop by and check that out. Amazing deals this week, but we are getting a lot of register rewards. And you know, if you've watched my videos before, register reward deals are not my favorite because I tend to forget to use them. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how I've been using these P&G, the $5 off your next P&G purchase. The ones that look like this are actually manufacturer register rewards. Then we've got the register rewards that look normal that are coming from P&G. And then there is this one here that's $5 off your next purchase of participating P&G products. This one is a store coupon. So I'm going to be talking about how I have been using these, as well as these $8 Catalinas, how they are rolling. So I'm going to cover those two things, as well as a couple of other deals that I did this week. I want to start with the easiest ones. So I'm going to do a clearance deal. These clear blue ovulation kits, these are on clearance, $9.49, but there is a $10 store digital coupon. So you'll find that either in the book up by the register or in your digital coupons in the Walgreens app. Because it is a store digital and not a manufacturer, it will adjust down to the price of the item, making it completely free. I am done having babies, but it's going to be hard not to want to see if I'm ovulating. I don't know. It just seems like a fun thing to do. So I need to get that out of my house before I'm tempted to pee on it. Let's talk about the Cottonelle. So I did talk about this Cottonelle flushable wipe, but I want to tell you about it with the toilet paper. So the flushable wipes are $1.29 in store or online. Shopkick is giving back 500 kicks, which is $2, making this free and a 71-cent moneymaker. Now, I also picked up the toilet paper, the Cottonelle toilet paper. This is $4.99. There's a $1 digital in the Walgreens app that you can clip, making it $3.99. Shopkick, again, is giving $2 back on this product as well, making it $1.99 for this Mega 4-pack. So that seemed like a good deal. To me, that seemed like a better deal than this Scott, the 12 big rolls. Now, let me tell you about that one. That is our typical $5 price at Walgreens. There is a $1 digital as well as a $1.25 store digital. So the $1 digital will only work one time. That store digital is going to attach to as many items as you purchase. So that made this 12 count pack just $2.75. Okay, let's talk about how I'm using some of these Procter & Gamble register rewards. Now, these products right here, the Tide, the Downy, the Bounce, they are on sale for $9. That makes them $2.25 each as long as you're buying 4 or more. Okay, so I bought 7, and I bought 7 because I was trying to get to at least $15 because there is a Procter & Gamble promotion of spend 15, get a $5 register reward. And I believe, I'm trying to remember now which one printed. I believe it was the manufacturer one that printed. Don't quote me on it. I know I need to do better with remembering which register rewards print while I'm at the store, but I am doing so many things so quickly on Sundays that sometimes I fall short. But we want to buy 7 of the products. You can see I bought 3 Tide, 2 Downy, and 2 Bounce. Doesn't matter what you buy, you just have to buy 7 products to get to $15. So that gets me to $15.75. Now, when I purchased those, I got a $5 register reward back for spending $15. Now, that makes my final cost $10.75 or $1.53 per item, which is a great price. But I used 2 of the register rewards that look like this, the $5 register rewards, to pay. Okay, and I still got the $5 register reward back. So awesome way to roll those register rewards. Now, that was that deal there. Now let's talk about the Olay. The next one I did was Olay and Axe. I bought 2 of these Olay body washes at $8. Then I purchased 2 of the Axe deodorant. So this was a crazy stack, so stay with me on this one. 2 Olay at $8. The 2 Axe are buy one, get one half off. When you buy 2 of the Olay, you get a $4 register reward. When you buy 2 of the Axe, you get $3 in Walgreens cash. Now, the Olay at $8, that means buying 2 gets us to $16. So we're going to get that register reward of spend $15, get a $5 register reward. I also got the spend $20 on personal care products, get a $5 register reward. So this is how the math worked out. The 2 body washes, the 2 Axe deodorants. I had the $8 Catalina coupon from buying the face wash to use towards this purchase. That was the only coupon I had. So I paid in $19.98. I got back $3 in Walgreens cash for the Axe. I got back the $4 register reward for the Olay. I got back the $5 register reward for spending $20, the $5 register reward for spending $15, $4 on Ibotta for the Axe, and $3 on Fetch Rewards for the Axe, making it completely free, and a $4.02 moneymaker. That was a lot of rebates on those 4 products. Just double check your Ibotta and your Fetch Reward before doing this deal to make sure both of those are still there, because without those rebates, the deal isn't as good. Now, on top of that, I got a $8 Olay coupon that looked like this. I then turned around and purchased one of these at $8.79. I used this coupon here. I paid 79 cents. And another coupon for the Olay body wash printed again, an $8 one. So then I used it to roll and do the deal again, doing 2 of the Olay body washes and 2 of the Crest products. Now, of course, they'd have to be in separate transactions because you're using the face register reward to buy this, and then you're using the Catalina that you get, the $8 Catalina for the body wash, to buy the body wash. When you buy the body wash, it's going to print out another save $8 Olay face product. So as far as I know, it works on the Olay Regenerist products, including those like face wipes, but my store was out of the face wipes, which would have been my preference. If you're finding other great products that this $8 coupon works on, please tell us down in the comments. That would help quite a bit. Let me tell you how this deal worked, and it was kind of amazing because the person in front of me, a Catalina printed out for spend 15, get 5, and they didn't take it, and the cashier handed it to me. I was not expecting that, but I'm like, shoot, that's going to make this deal even better. So I picked up 2 body washes at $8. I picked up 2 of the Crest toothpaste at $4 each. So how that worked. I paid with the $8 Catalina coupon that I just told you about. I had a $3 digital for the Crest toothpaste, so I paid $13. Again, I used some of the manufacturer Procter & Gamble register rewards to pay my balance down. And I got back the $5 in Walgreens cash for spending $15. That was that bonus booster that I got from the person in front of me. The $5 register reward for spending at least $15 in Procter & Gamble products. The $4 Olay register reward for buying 2 of these. The $5 register reward for spending $20. And the $5 register reward for buying 2 Crest toothpaste, making it all free, and an $11 moneymaker. And of course, that $8 Catalina for the Olay face product printed again. So that bad boy just keeps rolling. Now, a couple of things. I swear to you guys, the $5 register reward for the Crest didn't print. I I don't think it printed. And I apologize for not being more organized and having it together and telling you for sure, but I don't think that $5 for the crest printed. I've seen other people who've said they did it and it printed for them, so fingers crossed that it works for you. Even without that $5 register reward though, it's still an amazing deal. The only thing that I don't know how I want to use are these thanks for being a loyal shopper $5 off your Procter & Gamble purchase, because these are store coupons. So if we use these, it's going to bring down our spend amount. So I'm curious how y'all are using these and how you are rolling them. I have yet to use them, other than I did try an Olay face product to see if it would give me a Olay body wash Catalina, just one of the regular Olays, not the fancy Olays, and it did not print. So I did use one of my $5 that way, but I'm curious, please tell us down in the comments, how are you using your $5 store coupons? Now, these don't expire until the end of the month. This one says August 28th. So I'm probably gonna hold mine for next week and use them next week on some products, but I'm not gonna like run out and try to get rid of them right now. I've pretty much done my Walgreens shopping for this week and I won't be buying additional items. I'm happy with everything I got. And I'm trying to remember now, I think when I added everything together, it all came out to be like $1 for all of this. That's crazy. I mean, just crazy. So those moneymaker coupons are fantastic for snagging things you need at a low price. A couple other things I want to mention. There was a great deal on the Simply Lemonade, the bigger canisters of those. I'll pop that deal up here on the screen. The Pringles are 3 for $5, which my guess is probably very comparable to grocery store price, as well as the Mott's apple juice was 2 for $6, which is even cheaper than the Walgreens brand apple juice this week. So those were really the only food deals that I saw. The Kellogg's products are still buy one, get one free, but they're priced kind of high. I did not buy those this week. The Ibotta offers are gone, so for me, it just wasn't worth it. But definitely let me know what you guys are buying, especially with those Procter & Gamble coupons. And check out the first video that I posted because I have tons more deals in that first video. I also forgot to include clearance pictures at the end of the last video, so I will include those in this video. I realized I forgot, and y'all are so sweet to me. None of you said, hey, you said you were going to include pictures of clearance, and you didn't do it. So thank you for being nice. I will include them at the end of this video. Thanks.